2023 is already upon us, and perhaps some of your health goals are off to a great start. Maybe you're struggling on other fronts. If you're one of those individuals who already is having trouble implementing your New Year's resolutions, I've got some encouraging news for you. I'm Dr. David DeRose. I am the host of a program called Timeless Healing Insights. And we've put together something for you called the Fast 8 program. We are rolling it all out on Saturday evening, February the 4th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Join us for a live virtual presentation. Whether you join us then or not, I want to invite you right now to download our free handout. It describes in detail an 8-week program that is based on 8 amazing fasting strategies that can help you optimize your weight. That's right. If you're underweight, we'll give you pointers on how you can gain weight. But I especially resonate with those of you who have challenges with trimming down. You want some practical things that can improve your health, can change your outlook on weight, get away from the shaming, the blaming, the pointing of fingers. Fast 8 is for you. How do you sign up? Go to our website, www.timelesshealinginsights.org. Simply scroll down to the Fast 8 icon, click there. Once you register, we'll send you the free handout, and you'll be on our list to be notified as we roll out videos like the interactive video session on February 4th. The other reason why you want to make sure we have an accurate email address, we are continuing to update that handout. As the program develops, we are updating it, giving you more resources, more practical things to put you in the driver's seat. Fast 8 is a program for you to optimize your weight, optimize your health in 2023. I'm Dr. David DeRose, looking forward to having you join us for the journey.